Valentin Debise once again demonstrated why he is considered one of the strongest riders in the 2026 World Supersport Championship. Representing EASTROC ZXMOTO Evan Bros factory aboard the number 53 ZXMOTO 820RR, the French rider delivered a highly competitive performance throughout Race 2 at the Misano World Circuit in Italy. As soon as the lights went out, Debise launched himself into the leading group. Starting from pole position, he immediately challenged the Yamaha riders and completed the opening lap in third place. The ZXMOTO 820RR showed impressive pace, allowing Debise to remain in the fight for the podium among the front-running contenders. During the early stages of the race, Debise continued to pressure Albert Arenas and Aldi Mahendra. Times proved to be one of the key strengths of the ZXMOTO package at Misano. As the race progressed, however, the competition intensified. Debise was pushed back to 7th position as his rivals began to make their moves. Despite losing ground, he refused to give up. Using his experience and excellent tire management, the Frenchman maintained a strong rhythm and stayed within the large group battling for top 5 positions. The competitiveness of the ZXMOTO 820RR was highlighted by its strong sector times throughout the race. Debise reached a top speed of 244.9 km per hour, demonstrating that the ZXMOTO machine has the performance to challenge Yamaha, Ducati, Triumph, and Kawasaki on Misano's long straights. In the closing laps, Debise began charging forward once again. He overtook several rivals and worked his way back into the top 8. While some riders struggled with fading grip, Debise displayed remarkable consistency and steadily closed the gap to the leading group. When the checkered flag fell, Debise had crossed the finish line in 8th place. However, post-race drama unfolded when the stewards determined that he had exceeded track limits at turn 11 on the final lap. As a result, the number 53 ZXMOTO rider received a 1-position penalty and was officially classified in 9th place. Although the penalty prevented him from securing a stronger result, Debise still earned valuable points for ZXMOTO. Following the Misano round, he remains second in the 2026 WorldSSP standings with 195 points. While he now trails championship leader Albert Arenas by 56 points, the battle for the world title remains very much alive.